नवीन कायदे एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या आरामदायी जीवनासाठी अधिक अनुकूल आहेत. त्यांचे उल्लंघन झाल्यास त्यानुसार शिक्षा केली जाईल, असे उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायमूर्ती व्यंकटेश नाईक यांनी सांगितले. कर्नाटक उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायमूर्ती व्यंकटेश नाईक यांनी बेळगाव बार असोसिएशन, बेळगाव कर्नाटक राज्य बार काउन्सिल, बेंगळुरू यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने 5 दिवसीय कार्यशाळेचे उद्घाटन केले.
Newly introduced 3 laws: भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता, and भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम 2023. Dear friends, during 2015 and 2016, I served in Belagavi as 3rd ADJ, 2nd ADJ, and 1st ADJ, and for a couple of days, I also worked as principal district and sessions judge. Really, it was wonderful experience for me, and I learned so many things and input from you. During those periods, the Belagavi Bar Association reposed confidence in me and invited me to train our young advocates. Accordingly, I conducted so many series lectures for the civil judge and district judge aspirants in this tremendous hall. I learned from the members of the bar that during those periods, many advocates were appointed as judges. Really, I congratulate those judges, the members of the bar and executive committee for organizing such lecture series. Now, again, the executive committee arranged a similar program for entire members of the bar on new enacted laws. So far as Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023, the present Indian Penal Code is concerned, in the year 1834, the first Indian Law Commission was constituted under the chairmanship of Lord T.J. Macaulay to examine the jurisdiction, power and the rules of the existing courts as well as the police establishments and the laws in force in India. The Commission suggested various enactments to the government. One of the important recommendations made by the Commission was on Indian Penal Code, which was enacted in 1860, and the said code is still continuing in the country with some amendments made thereto from time to time. The Government of India considered it expedient and necessary to review the existing criminal laws with an aim to strengthen law and order and to focus on simplifying legal procedures so that ease of living is ensured to the common man. The government also considered make existing laws relevant to the contemporary situation and providing speedy justice to common man. Accordingly,
व्यक्तीच्या शांततापूर्ण जीवनासाठी कायदे अधिक अनुकूल असल्याने बेळगाव बार असोसिएशनने राज्यात चांगला नावलौकिक मिळवला आहे. त्यांचे उल्लंघन केल्यास त्यानुसार दंडात्मक कारवाई केली जाईल. त्यामुळे युवा समाजाने जागरूक राहायला हवे. कायद्याच्या अंमलबजावणीला प्राधान्य द्यायला हवे. स्वरण सिंघे म्हणाले की 51A अंतर्गत 42व्या दुरुस्तीमध्ये 11 मूलभूत कर्तव्ये लागू करण्यात आली होती आणि आता पुन्हा 2023 पासून नवीन कायदा लागू करण्यात आला आहे. विनोद कोलकार, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव.